Hey guys, Don here. Welcome to Podiatry Practice Mastery. I like it when people send me questions. I got a question today about how is it that I made all these PowerPoints and where I got the images from, and did I do them myself? Well, the whole idea of the patient presentations that I've been doing for a number of years, it began with the first one, which was a pre-surgical discussion. It actually came from a difficult post-operative outcome, to say the least. And I'm like, what could I do different if I had to do it over again? What got me was not having a clearly defined pre-surgical discussion with the patient, and then that not being documented. So now I have this, the first presentation I made was that, so every pre-op patient I have them do the pre-op presentation, and it works so well. Then I created one on plantar fasciitis, then I created one on Achilles tendonitis and other types of things. And so basically what I did is I made one Google slide. And the first ones, that pre-op one, I was using at a rudimentary one, and I did it, and then I sent it to someone on Fiverr. And there's like these people that develop slide decks, and I think I paid him, I don't know, $20-30 or something like that. And he made it look really nice. And so that's the key. I kind of do them really kind of rough, and then when I send it to them, then they send me like the nice image. They put nice images in there, and they design it, make it look good, and things like that. So that's what I would do. I would do a real rough one, and then just pay someone to do the rest, because to find images that you can use and things like that are kind of a pain. And then what I did is I used to do this like between patients. I was I copied one Google slide deck to another one, and it was a similar, like, for example, plantar fasciitis and Achilles tendonitis are pretty similar in my opinion, so I swapped out a few pictures. Haglund's deformity as well, I swapped out a few pictures. When I got into like the nail fungus and other stuff, then I tried to keep it real simple, because it doesn't really take that big of an explanation. It's not really complex, so I just use some charts in there. So anyway, you can see the kind of the videos that I do at drpelto.com/presentations. Those are the recorded presentations, and then within the membership you can see all my Google Slides. You just have to request permission. You have to just like it'll send me an email in Google, and I'll give you access to it, at least until I turn it into some product. Eventually I think they're going to sell it, because it took me a lot of time to make all these. You guys can feel free to use them, modify them. The access I gave was viewing access, so to edit you're going to have to download them and then make them your own. Okay, good question. If you have other questions about presentations and things like that, please let me know. Okay, thanks.